Remote control cars, toy cars, have captivated enthusiasts of all ages for decades. Whether you are a child discovering the joy of speed for the first time or an adult looking for an adrenaline packed hobby, RC cars are the perfect blend of technology and fun. Let's dive into what makes remote control toy cars so exciting and how to choose the right one for your needs. Why are RC cars so popular? RC toy cars are more than just toys. They are miniature machines that combine engineering, creativity, and entertainment. Here are a few reasons they've become so popular. Thrilling speeds. Modern RC cars can reach impressive speeds, some exceeding 60 miles per hour, delivering a real racing experience. Versatile terrains. From smooth pavements to rugged off-road tracks, RC cars are designed for various terrains, making them perfect for outdoor and indoor fun. Customization. Hobbyists can modify their RC cars with the new motors, tires, and designs to enhance performance and aesthetics. Accessibility. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, there's an RC car for every skill level. Types of remote control toy cars. Off-road RC cars. Designed for rugged terrains such as dirt trails, sand dunes, and rocky paths. Equipped with large tires and powerful suspension systems. Racing cars. Built for speed and smooth surfaces like racetracks and asphalts. Feature lightweight designs and high-speed motors. Stunt RC cars, specially made for tricks and flips, can handle jumps, spins, and other stunts with ease. Drift RC cars, perfect for drifting enthusiasts, designed to slide smoothly around corners while maintaining control. Monster trucks, oversized RC vehicles that dominate off-road environments, known for their durability and power. Features to consider when buying an RC car. When choosing an RC car, consider these key factors: speed and power. Look for cars with powerful motors if speed is your priority. Battery life. Opt for models with long-lasting batteries to maximize playtime. Durability. For off-road adventures, select cars made from sturdy materials that can withstand rough usage. Ease of control. For kids and beginners, pick cars with intuitive remote controls and lower speed settings. Customization options. Advanced users may want models that allow for upgrades and modifications. Top brands have earned a reputation for producing high-quality RC cars. These include Traxxas, known for high-performance vehicles suitable for all terrains. Red Cat Racing offers a range of affordable yet durable RC cars. Team Associated specializes in racing RC cars with precision engineering. HPI Racing features versatile cars for both beginners and advanced users. Benefits of owning an RC car. Number 1. Skill development. Controlling an RC car enhances hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. Stress relief. Driving an RC car can be a fun way to unwind and escape daily stresses. Family bonding. RC car racing is a fantastic activity for families to enjoy together. Learning opportunity. Kids can explore basic engineering and technology concepts through RC car maintenance and modifications. If you're new to the world of RC cars, start with a beginner-friendly model that's easy to control and maintain. Look for features like low speed settings and durable buildings. Once you've mastered the basics, you can upgrade to more advanced models for higher speeds and customizability. So, remote control toy cars are more than just a source of entertainment. They are a gateway to thrilling adventures, skills development, and even engineering insights. Whether you are racing, drifting, or performing stunts, there's an RC car out there that's perfect for you. So gear up, hit the track, and let the fun begin. And if you're interested, you can click the link below to see the cars.